AGI does not just mean AI. AGI means a machine that can become smarter than itself. Everything in me. And this can happen in 2 years. Wait, listen this first. Today I will not give you any theory. No motivation. Just an honest breakdown. What actually works, what doesn't, and exactly how you can get started. AI today does one thing well. AGI tomorrow does everything better than humans. A question must have come to your mind this morning. If this is possible, then why am I not doing it? I am talking Hoon. The problem is not that you don't have skills. The problem is that you did not get the exact system. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic all say AGI by 2026 to 2028. This is not a debate anymore. Do you understand? Those people who are earning Crore plus wealth potential are not smarter than you. They are just using a different system. This is the main system which I am going to explain in detail. Step 1. Choose the right tool. The biggest mistake that people make is to use ChatGPT like Google. Ask one question. Get one answer. Close. This doesn't help. The right way. Treat AI like a project partner. Context do. Background do. Goals do. Come again. The last time technology changed this fast was the internet in 1995. Early movers became billionaires. Now see the difference. One band is doing work worth 500 rupees with AI. The second group is building a complete system with AI which itself generates 50,000 rupees. The internet made millionaires from ordinary people. AGI will too. I need to be early. Step 2. How to get the first client. The biggest problem is this. Where will the client come from? This is the main community here. I also faced him. But this is true. Your first client will be your friend, relative, or local business. There is no perfect client. First client. Tonight with LinkedIn Kholo. Find 10 local businesses. Send them a simple message. I can make your work faster and cheaper using main AI tools. Give a free demo. 2 logs will respond within 10 minutes. 1 paid client will be made in 2 months. AGI will create more wealth than it destroys. But only for people who understand it now. This is proof. These numbers are real. Step 3. Build the system. Just do the work from here. People go to Galat. They work for a client. Then another client. Then again. And he is busy. But not rich. Formula to become rich. Build a system for one client. Then use the same system for another client. Then for the third one. Time investment once. Income repeatedly. That's what I am doing here. This is what you have to do. Do your first step now. Do this one thing in the next 60 minutes. N8N.io Kholo. Create free account. Watch his beginner tutorial. Base. This is the first step. In the next 30 days. If you work seriously, you can make your first 10,000 rupees. The internet made millionaires from ordinary people. AGI will too. I need to be early. If this video was helpful, like it now. Subscribe. I give such content every day which is actually useful. Comment में लिखो, मैं शुरू करता हूँ, and I will personally reply. In the next video I will share the main exact Claude AI prompts which attract those clients giving Crore plus wealth potential. Subscribe so you don't miss it.